The core principles of mediation are, firstly, and I think most importantly, confidentiality. That allows parties who engage in the mediation process to speak in complete confidence to the mediator, and on occasion as between themselves, in the knowledge that what is said at a mediation remains at the mediation. To that extent, it is obviously very different to the situation that one has in court, where most court cases are held in public. You have the media element, which doesn't exist in mediation. A second core principle of mediation is the self-determination aspect of the process. It's designed to enable parties and facilitate parties discussing their concerns and issues which are of importance to them, and then themselves, that is the parties then seeking between themselves a means of settling their differences. So it's very much driven by the parties themselves rather than the mediator, and to that extent it's quite different to the situation that one sees in either a court setting or indeed arbitration. A third core principle of mediation is the respect that a mediator will seek to create as between the parties. In other words, permitting each party to discuss openly their own concerns and their needs and so on, because that creates trust and hopefully improves the chances of a settlement being reached at the end of the day. A fourth and core principle of mediation is the neutrality or impartiality of the mediator. Again, that is of obvious importance. It doesn't really require a great deal of explanation. What is vital is that the mediator has no axe to grind, has no particular interest in the outcome of the case. His or her job is to ensure that the parties are given every chance to discuss their concerns and what they want to see coming from the mediation, then directing the parties towards some compromise at the end of the day. Parties can do things themselves to help resolve a dispute at mediation. One is to be flexible, to listen and be prepared to be listened to have trust in the mediator, and to be prepared to consider options that will arise maybe for the first time in the course of the mediation. And also it's important that there be a decision maker available during the mediation process, so that decisions that need to be made in order to bring about a compromise or a settlement can be concluded. The most satisfying aspect of mediation is to watch two parties who have been in significant conflict between each other, possibly for a very long time, actually come together in the sense that they find some way, some compromise to solve their dispute, and which will leave both feeling a lot better as a result.